And welcome back to my channel. So summers are already here and I have been meaning to do this video for so long. Is my third tub of Clinique, so I thought before I finish this off as well, I will quickly make this video. Before jumping into the video, I'll just tell you that we are going to talk about moisturizer. So there are two types of creams that we apply on our face. One is the moisturizer, जिसका main उद्देश्य ये है just to moisturize your skin, nothing else. It's not going to do any benefit, nothing whatsoever, just moisturizing your skin to avoid dry patches, avoid wrinkles, just a healthy skin. And there is this creams which are kind of added benefits, which are like the treatment or healing creams, which can remove your tan, which can work on your wrinkles, which can work on your hyperpigmentation. So that is different. Today we are going to talk about only moisturizer. I'm going to quickly talk about few of the drugstore moisturizers which are quite similar to the Clinique, and I will just give you a quick comparison. So we are going to talk about which old famous Clinique Moisture Surge. We are going to talk about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. We are going to talk about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost capsule in serum, and we are going to talk about the Sasta and Tikau Pond's version, and we are also going to compare how it is to the Clinique Moisture Surge. So first, let's talk about the Clinique Moisture Surge. Now I have got the 72 hours auto replenishing hydrator. Now I think there is a recent update or recent formulation that has come up, which is like the 100 hours replenishing, auto replenishing cream. So on the Moisture Surge, and also there is another variant which I am not very sure about, but for now 72 hours is now converted to 100 hours. So this bad boy is 50 ml of product, which is priced at 2,550 rupees, or 3 sizes if I'm not wrong. The most sasta version is I think a 15 ml, which is around 950 rupees or 1,000 bucks, but that is like just 15 ml of product just for you to try. Now this is 100% fragrance free, though I find there is a slight smell that I get, but I don't really know what, but it is supposed to be fragrance free, and as you can see I have hit tub of it. This little goes a long way. You just need 3 to 4 dots on your skin and your full face is covered. It's very thick in consistency compared to the rest. It is like the texture is little thick, very silicone-y, very luxurious. It feels very great. It kind of breaks into that emollient, and it gives hydration. I do not know about 72 hours, but I do generally get throughout the day with this. If I applied it in the morning, I am okay to go with it for the entire day. I do not really have to reapply, and then when I wash my face, then I kind of reapply a moisturizer. Otherwise, I don't really feel the need of reapplying this product. This is replenishing technology, as it says, where the skin is creating its own water source. I'm not too sure on how that works, but that's what is said. It is non-comedogenic, paraben free, good for all skin types. It does have dimethicone, which is a form of silicone. It feels super luxurious. It is the longest, so it stays the longest out of all the products that I'm going to show. This is the maximum hours hydration that you can get from a cream. Enough said about this bad boy, and I absolutely love it. Who doesn't? This is my third tub, but I also kind of buy the Neutrogena one always when I buy this. Just the reason being, I kind of like to use it on special occasions or just when I want to feel it, because 3,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees, and it lasts me like around 2 months or maximum 2.5 months, not more than that, because we are staying at home, we moisturize our skin too much now, so it stays. So when I kind of want to stick to a budget and want to save up that money, I kind of move to the other creams that I'm going to show you. The next cream is the one that you might be interested the most because it is the closest dupe of the Clinique Moisture Surge. That is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Now there are two variants. So this is for normal to oily skin, and then the other one is for dry skin. It is a little expensive. This is for 1000 rupees for 50 ml, and that one is 1100 rupees for 50 ml. So the product looks like this. Now this is my third tub, as I said. So when you open it, it looks like this. It looks like ocean. It has a slight smell. I'm not going to lie. So the Clinique one, the smell doesn't hit my nose, but this has a slight smell. I'm not a fan of fragrance in my skincare, but this is the fragrance which I am okay with. It's not too overpowering, and I like the smell. So you have a jar lid like this where you open, and there it is. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about this is the product, like the price point. So this is the same product, same ml, like 50 ml for 1000 bucks, almost 2.5 times pricier than this for the same quantity. But this product, I think it kind of lasts good 5 to 6 hours, not really more than that. I mean, if I apply it in the morning, I'm good to go till the evening, but you need reapplication. So Clinique one is you apply it once till the time you wash your face. This one twice, I would say. It is non-comedogenic, paraben free. It has hyaluronic acid. It has dimethicone, which is a form of silicone. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a form of humectant, which kind of absorbs water from the air and puts it back to your skin. I also saw that it has 2 sizes on Nykaa. I think that is very recently started. So I think there was 15 ml of product for rupees 350 rupees. So it's a great way to see if you are okay with the cream, if you like the cream before investing 1000 bucks. But this being a drugstore product, 1000 bucks is kind of a little expensive, but I don't complain. Reason being that I kind of spend that money on Clinique, and now that I'm getting a sasta option, I am okay to jump onto this. But otherwise it is a slight expensive compared to a drugstore moisturizer, because as I said, it has no benefits, just moisturizer. The third product that I'm going to talk about is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. So again, this is the third time I'm buying this. The first time I ordered these were when my sister went to London, because that time it was not available here, and once I started trying that, I kind of fell in love with that, and I used to buy that always from Nykaa. I wait for the offers because on Nykaa you hardly get offers on Neutrogena Hydro Boost range, but when you do, you kind of save some bucks there. So this is the serum. So it is very similar to the gel. It's just that it is little lighter but hydrates more. Like extreme moisturization, then you up on the gel that you use, the Neutrogena gel. Otherwise, I have gone using just this for the nights, and I wake up with good skin. I mean, I don't even need the cream. That is like, I don't even need the cream when I apply this, but there are sometimes when I apply both. There are sometimes when I just apply this or the cream. So this is again a good alternative if you want to have something very light, little budget friendly. So this is 30 ml for 800 rupees. It says it double hydrates. It has capsules in it which are antioxidants, and it has glycerine as well. And this gives extreme hydration. I feel this gives more hydration than the Neutrogena gel somehow. So I kind of prefer this over the Neutrogena gel for some reason. I don't know. I just feel that it gives a little more hydration to the skin, and it's lighter as well. So it's very good for summers. Now the last cream is what maybe you were waiting for. It is the cheapest in the market. 47 grams for 299 rupees, and you also get a smaller version, 3 grams for 119 rupees. Now you can kind of find it on sale. Kudos to Pond's that they have come up with such great price point everybody can use it, and it's so affordable and easily available. Now it has smell. Okay, this is how the product looks. Looks a little thicker than the Neutrogena cream, but this is how it is. The smell of it is, it smells like cucumbers. I mean, if the raw cucumbers, if you make a juice of it, that is how it smells exactly. Surprisingly, this has really good ingredients, which it has hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant. It has vitamin E. It has niacinamide also. It is paraben free. If you are somebody who do not really like smell at all in their skincare, then you will have to skip this. Otherwise, this is something that you can try. You can try the smaller version of it. With me, this is a very good cream. My family loves it, but it's just that this doesn't suit me. I'm okay to put this on, but I kind of find it I get a little tingling sensation, and I feel it's not very comfortable on my skin. Now, skincare is subjective. What might suit me might not suit you, but for the other creams, I don't really face any issues. The main reason that I go with the gel based creams is because I do not like cream texture. It does not suit my skin. This is again gel based, but a little thicker, maybe that is the reason, but this one does not suit me. But it is packed with really good stuff. As I said, it has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. At this price point, it's a great deal. Now, this is the least amount of hydration hours. Basically, you will have to reapply every 2 to 3 hours. Dry skin, you might have to top it up with some serum, because this alone won't work. It's very good for summers, but winter, this is not really enough. So you will have to apply 2 to 3 times a day. If staying at home, reapplying is not an issue, save some bucks and get the smaller version of it to make sure that it suits you. So personally, if you ask me, Ankita, which one should I buy, I would say go for the Pond's one. If you're not very sensitive to smell, if you do not really have very sensitive skin, go for that. We are anyways home, we can reapply moisturizers in like 2-3 hours, so I think that's not an issue. So till the time we are at home, I think you should definitely give it a try to the Pond's one. But if you want something which is more long lasting, if you want like good hydration level, go for the gel or the serum, whichever you prefer. You want it a little thinner consistency, little thicker consistency, just weigh it down and just see if you want to go or the serum or both together if you want like intense hydration, which can be compared to Clinique. If you want to feel luxurious, if you want to feel like bougie, if you want to like be all chill for 72 hours, you just put a cream on and then just forget about it for the entire day, then I think Clinique is a good option. You can give it a try. Buy the mini of all these three. The mini sizes of all these products are available except the serum. Buy them, see how you feel about it, then you invest your money on this. That's it, guys. That was a quick, not a small review though, but I tried to make it very quick and crispy. Short and crispy, but I don't know. That was it from me, and I just wanted to share that these are the products that I have loved, used it so many times except the Pond's one. I have repurchased again and again the Neutrogena, the serum, the gel, the Clinique one. So save your bucks.